In the high forests of West Java, where the morning mist clings to the trees and the air hums with life, lives a magnificent creature, swift, silent and silver. This is the silvery gibbon, known in Indonesia as the Owa Jawa, a master of the treetops and one of the rarest voices left in the island's wild chorus. Among the 5 hylobate species found in Indonesia, the silvery gibbon is the only one that calls Java its home. With long, powerful arms and agile movements, they swing through the canopy with effortless rhythm, like professional forest gymnasts, gliding from branch to branch in a dance that defines their freedom. Their fur shines in shades of soft grey, their faces framed in black, eyes deep with intelligence and emotion. They are small apes, lesser apes without tails, but with hearts big enough to change how we see love in the wild. The silvery gibbon is monogamous, forming lifelong pairs built on trust and companionship. When one partner is lost, whether to hunting, habitat loss, or separation, the other may never breed again. And with each broken bond, the population falls just a little more silent. This emotional depth makes them both beautiful and heartbreakingly vulnerable.
Karena mereka itu satwa monogami. Apa itu monogami? Mereka itu setia pada satu pasangan. Terus juga karena ketersediaan pasangan, karena kebetulan di Taman Safari ini, di setiap induk pasangan lebih banyak melahirkan jantan daripada betina. Terus proses kawin yang sangat lambat. Kebuntingan kurang lebih sekitar 6-7 bulan. Dan mereka akan kembali kawin itu setelah anak umur 2-3 tahun. Jadi itulah sulitnya kenapa owa Jawa di kita ini lambat untuk berkembang biak.
The Silvery Gibbon facility at Taman Safari Indonesia sits on the slopes of Mount Pangrango at 1,300 meters above sea level. Here the air is cool, between 16 and 31 degrees Celsius, and the forest canopy connects one tree to another just as it would in the wild. The enclosures are designed for arboreal life, where gibbons can swing, leap, and move without touching the ground. Foraging here is a performance of balance and instinct. They use brachiation, swinging from branch to branch. But sometimes they also walk upright on larger branches or even on the ground, moving gracefully on 2 legs. Daily life here is simple but precise. Each silvery gibbon receives a diet rich in fruits, leaves, and flowers, with ripe bananas as their favorite treat. They share many behaviors between adults and young, playing, grooming, and resting. But the young are more playful, while adults prefer moments of calm. Their interactions sitting close, gentle touches, grooming, are signs of affection and beginnings of courtship.
Untuk perawatan harian owa Jawa di sini, yang pertama adalah pembersihan kandang setiap pagi dan sore, itu teratur setiap hari. Terus juga pemberian pakan, pengawasan kesehatan, terus juga pengaturan suhu dan kelembaban, terus pengawasan perilaku secara teratur. Dengan hal-hal yang baru, seperti halnya kalau memang kita pernah mencoba, kita sembunyi-sembunyi, dia pasti akan merasa stres, jadi merasa terancam. Jadi kita tes bagaimana sih dia itu melihat sesuatu yang lain, seperti yang tidak biasa dia lihat, kita coba. Dan ternyata dengan melihat hal-hal yang aneh, mereka akan merasa terganggu dan stres. Dia akan berbunyi seperti meraung-raung, berteriak-teriak, bukan seperti berteriak biasanya gitu. Seperti kalau misalkan berteriak biasa itu dia enjoy tanpa ada beban, tapi kalau misalkan takut dia akan lebih teriaknya tuh lebih kencang.
Conservation for the silvery gibbon is not just about care, it's about collaboration. Since 2003, Taman Safari Indonesia has worked together with the Primate Research Center and Bogor Agricultural Institute to establish one of Indonesia's first ex-situ breeding facilities for this species. With support from the Directorate of Biodiversity Conservation, Directorate of Forest Protection and Nature Conservation, and Ministry of Forestry. This partnership has led to successful breeding programs, carefully monitored for genetics, behavior, and emotional bonds. The challenge, however, remains. They will not breed without love. They will not raise without trust. Each successful birth here is a story of patience, a triumph of science and empathy intertwined.
Tantangannya itu, yang tadi disebutkan juga, untuk perkawinan yang sangat lambat, terus juga dari segi kehamilan yang lama, sekitar 6-7 bulan, terus juga kesehatan owa, karena owa Jawa itu sangat rentan terhadap penyakit yang dibawa oleh manusia. Dan kebetulan kami di sini, saya sebagai kiper itu selalu medical check up, dan kita juga divaksin agar tidak tertular ke owa tersebut ataupun sebaliknya. Menjaga agar tidak stres itu juga harus dijaga. Itulah tantangan terbesar bagi kami.
The silvery gibbon's song echoes through the morning air, a duet between partners, a call that defines their territory and their bond. These calls are fading as forests shrink and hunting continues. But here, each call in Taman Safari Sanctuary is a note of hope, a promise that the forest's voice will not go silent. In every leap and call of the silvery gibbon, there is a story of resilience, of love, loss, and the strength to begin again. Through science, care, and compassion, we protect not only their bodies, but their bond, the very essence that keeps the forest alive.